Tonight I'm gonna make a McRib. A homemade McRib. Since they're homemade, I'm gonna call it a McRib. I just thought of that, believe it or not. I like McRibs from McDonald's. And we don't know what they're made of anyway, but they're good and they're shaped like ribs, even with meat bones in them. This is boneless. Boneless country ribs. And they were on sale for $2.48 a pound. I'm not gonna use all of them, but they look like they're gonna fit in my roll nice, see? We will experience some shrinkage, but we got extra here. Sweet baby rays, onion and pickle for the end. Come on over, this is gonna be easy. Homemade ribs. Weiss, you got one of them? Oh, now they call themselves Wise. They were Weiss when they first opened. They got a whole bunch of money, now they call themselves Wise. That's besides the point. I'm gonna use a rack. You don't have to, but I'm going to. And this one happens to have the handy handles. Dandy dandles. Let's see what these are like. See if these are in one piece or what here. Oh, they're gonna be that big? Yeah, see? I believe it. Yeah, okay. Cut them apart a little bit. It'll be nice. 2, 3. I believe this sandwich might take 2 or 3 since shrinkage. Then I have a couple more. I'm not going to use all this. I'm going to have enough for another recipe. And that's okay. Ribs. Remember which ones are mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I can put them all in, but I want to save some because I have an idea for the rest. For something good for tomorrow. Let me wash my hands with soap and water and continue with the rest of this easy recipe. Sweet baby rays, sweet Vidalia onion barbecue sauce. And I'm sure McDonald's doesn't use that, or anybody that makes McRibs. Well, maybe they do, I'm going to. But they have some kind of barbecue sauce, you know. I'm gonna use this whole bottle. Put it on the meat. On the meat, see? On the meat. Then I'm gonna rinse out what's left in the bottle and use that for the water, for the pressure on the bottom of the pressure cooker. Being careful not to pour any water over the ribs to begin with. Oh, there's a lot in there. All right, I'm going to pop that cap off and fill it 3/4 of the way with water, and that's going to equal 1 cup. All right, let me shake this up now. Yeah, get it all. I pour it down on the side so I don't rinse off the meat. Oops, except that piece. Ain't side, is it? Stop! Do it right! That equals about a little over a cup of water. Guess what? That's it. Put the lid on. This is the Go Wise today, the 8-quart. You can use any pressure cooker you have. Make sure you're in sealing mode or pressure mode. However yours functions. I'm going to press meat and stew, and I'm going to go for 25 minutes. Okay? That's it. Okay. Now I'm going to get my roll prepared. And this is going to be so good. It really is. A McRib, homemade. Gonna make one? You can make one. Make one with a pork chop. Something like that. Or squash some meat together and we're gonna figure out what these are made of. Well, maybe we're not. Huh. Alright, I'll be back. Less than a minute. See this Go Wise? There it is. See, the Go Wise shows the amount of pressure in there. I like that. 13 pounds on high. It regulates. And then when I let the pressure out, that number goes down accordingly. Want to see quick? Maybe you know that already. Watch that number start dropping. 12. See it? Cool, huh? Alright, I'll be back when the pressure's out. Because I'm hungry. Here we go. Whoa! They look like McRibs in my house. They shrank, see? I'm glad I got a big roll. Why? They shrank. Alright. Back up, Ethel. Let me put these out. Which ones are mine? Yeah, they shrank, but McRib. Look. Mmm. Now that's a McRib. Yeah. A McRib. See? You understand me? Mmm. Mix it up a little bit more. See that rack? We'll get a little sauce off the bottom. I'll show you this closer. Oh yeah. Now, at McDougal Land, they put some of these on. Right? Except, then they sit on it. Well, they wrap it in paper and sit on it and then hand it to you. Pickles too. Come over here at the table. So, does it remind you of a McRib? Let's see. That is a McRib. Am I going to eat it or what? Hmm? It's a lot better than the other one, right? Where they wrap it and sit on it and throw it to your car window. If they have them at all, you only get them once a year or so. And oh, I did look up what it was. Is reconstructed pork products in the shape of a patty with meat bones. Mostly shoulder, they say, so it's not a McRib. It's not a rib. It's mostly shoulder. We're not going to talk about what else is in there. But we know this is all rib. Rib meat, I started with. Mmm. I'm not ribbing you. Mmm. That's ribs too. Mmm. 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 Put some coleslaw on my plate. You can put it right on top, but then it won't be like a McRib, but it's not. It's a McRib. Gulp. Mmm. Okay. Mmm. I don't think I'll ever get a McRib at McDonald's again. Till they come back around next year. Thanks for watching. Make yourself a McRib, Rick Rib, whoever your ribs you are. Coleslaw on the side. I love it. Please subscribe. This is so tender. Did you want some? One more bite, then I gotta say goodbye. Goodbye. So tender. Bye. Have a nice night.